What's up guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Kindle Paperwhite. So it is thinner, lighter and more waterproof. With the waterproof Kindle Paperwhite, you are free to read and relax in more places including the beach, pool or bath. Paperwhite is IPX8 rated to protect against accidental immersion in up to 2 meters of fresh water for up to 60 minutes. Pack lighter, travel further. Our thinnest, lightest Kindle Paperwhite yet, with a sleek modern design so it can read comfortably for hours. Features their signature 330 pixels per inch glare-free Paperwhite display, laser quality text and twice the storage of the previous generation, plus a single battery charge. So there are many improvements over from the previous generation Kindle. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's open that seal. It'll take me some time to open it. Okay, almost there. Okay, so okay. We have some goodies here. You have the charging cable. The Kindle charging cable is just a regular USB-A to micro USB, and we have the instruction manual, safety information. It's nice. And here we have the Kindle itself. Here. So let's take out that cover. Okay. So as you can see here, it's quite a nice Kindle to hold, considering that there's lots of improvements over the previous generation Kindle Paperwhite. I think this is a really good Kindle. So let's set this up. Okay, so let's turn this on. Press the power button here. Okay, it's booting up right now. It'll take some time to boot. Okay, so we're in the setup menu, English, United Kingdom, next, and then we wait. Okay, so here we are, the Kindle Paperwhite, high resolution 300 pixels per inch display, built-in light and weeks of battery life. Get started. Wi-Fi. Okay, so we need to connect this to the Wi-Fi network. And you cannot see this actually. Okay, just connected this Kindle to the Wi-Fi. So it's connecting to Amazon. And register your Kindle. Create a new account. Continue. You don't need to see this. Okay, so setup complete. Congratulations, setup is complete. Your device is now registered to ePaid. Okay, so home. Now listen to audible books. Switch between reading and listening. Add audible narration to your Kindle book and look for the headphones icon to switch to audio. Never lose your place when you switch. And audible books inspire and entertain. So yeah. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, comment on how should I improve my video, and make sure to smack the like button I'll catch you guys on the flip side.